Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your source for all things innovative in the world of technology. Today, we have something incredibly cool to talk about: the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with a touchpad. If you're on the hunt for a portable keyboard that's both compact and feature-rich, you're in for a treat. Before we dive into the details, let's open up the box and see what's inside. Of course, you'll find the star of the show, the foldable Bluetooth keyboard itself. But that's not all. It comes with a free stand holder, which is the perfect companion for this keyboard, offering you the ideal screen angle. Now, let's talk design and portability. The Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is incredibly thin and portable. You can fold it up and toss it in your pocket or bag without it taking up too much space. The dark grey matte exterior, made of durable ABS plus PC material, not only looks elegant but also withstands daily wear and scratches. Weighing in at only 6.9 ounces, this palm-sized keyboard is designed for maximum convenience with minimal weight and size. Let's get into the heart of the matter, the typing experience. Despite its compact size, this keyboard offers a near-standard layout that provides accurate and fast typing, just like your desktop keyboard. The keys are quiet, allowing you to focus on your work without creating unnecessary noise. It's perfect for travel, business trips, or when you just need to be productive on the go. One of the standout features of this keyboard is the sensitive touchpad. It supports multi-touch, which means you can control your device without the need for a separate mouse. It's a real game changer in terms of convenience and efficiency. Keep in mind, though, that it's not compatible with iOS 13.4 and below or Android 3.0 and below. Battery life is always a concern with portable devices. Well, Samsers has you covered. The built-in rechargeable battery can last for an impressive 48 hours of use or up to 560 hours on standby after just 2 to 3 hours of charging. That's perfect for those short business trips or vacations. In terms of connectivity, this Bluetooth keyboard seamlessly connects to all your Bluetooth devices, be it iOS, Android, or Windows. It maintains a stable connection within a range of 10 meters, and once you've connected it to a device, it will automatically reconnect to the last one used. However, please note that it's not compatible with various computer sticks. Before we wrap things up, it's worth mentioning that Samsers stands behind its product. They offer 24-hour email response, 100% satisfaction service, and lifetime technical support. So, if you have any questions or run into any issues, they're there to help. In conclusion, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with touchpad is a fantastic choice for those who need a portable, feature-rich keyboard on the go. Its sleek design, efficient touchpad, and impressive battery life make it a standout product. If you're constantly on the move and need a reliable keyboard for work or play, this could be the solution you've been looking for. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech reviews and product recommendations. If you have any questions or thoughts about this keyboard, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.